Right, I've got an archive of some non-woven bags here that I want to go through with you that really highlight the wonderful printing quality Smartbags can offer our clients to maximise your brand and artwork. Firstly, we've got here a standard kind of tote bag with 100% silkscreen print coverage with the handles stitched all the way down to the base in a kind of camouflage styling, which is very effective. And now here we've got some laminated non-woven bags. I'll just place them down here quickly. As you can see here, this is more of a heavy duty style. This is non-woven laminated, but this is in a gloss finish. And as you can see, quite incredible, intricate, full colour artwork that you can achieve. If I flip that over, I've actually got it in a matte finish. So you've got the two kind of choices there. If you go to a different kind of style, I mean, look at that. I mean, that's one of our fashion tote bags with really intricate, great, colourful artwork. I mean, it really is beautiful. And to get the kind of photo quality effect, you've got this style. I mean, it's almost like you can eat it. And least but not last, a fine bag to finish with. A lady I think a lot of us will know. Not looking so desperate there, I'd say. Great stuff.